Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to import product in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to products. Now here you can see the import option, so just click on import button. So here what you have to understand that you have to sample CSV template or format of this product. So simply open the CSV format. I currently don't have any CSV format of any products, so simply what you need to do, go to your storage memory and select the CSV format and then click on the open button. So what we have got to know that whenever we want to import any product here, we have got the CSV format first, and then we can easily import the product. So guys, in this way you can easily import any product in Shopify.